This package is the beginner-ready option. The Recital Play brings 88 full-sized, non-weighted keys, a huge library of 480 built-in sounds, 160 accompaniment rhythms, 140 demo songs, lesson and record modes, and an accessory bundle, carry bag, headphones, stand pedal in many kits. It's aimed squarely at learners who want a lot of tonal variety and accessories straight out of the box. Pricing varies by region and bundle, often showing up at entry-level prices compared to standalone 88 keyboards. On camera, I'd say this: if you love experimenting with different tones, orchestral pads, brass, synths, the Recital Play's 480 voices are addictive. The feel is lighter, non-weighted, so younger players and hobbyists will enjoy the responsiveness, but pianists who want hammer action will notice the difference. Customers consistently praise the included accessories, saves you hunting for a stand bench, and many reviewers appreciate the built-in lesson modes and recording features. Common complaints: key action isn't weighted, and some users want deeper sound customization than the onboard interface allows. Pros: massive sound library, bundled accessories, great for learners and families. Cons: non-weighted keys, stock sounds are good but not studio grade. Build is plastic leaning. Customer reviews are generally positive for beginners and families. Again, links are in the description box.